reset, and this is my first time ever cutting my own hair. It's gotten really long. You can scroll down in my feed and see a picture of what it looked like before I got started a while ago. I'm doing what's called a unicorn cut, a triple unicorn cut, but I'm not sure if I should because it's already got so many layers in it. Like, and I've begged my stylist to leave it long in the front, so all this length is in the front, which is what's making me feel crazy. I feel like I'm gonna cut so much off of the front. Ugh. My cat is begging to be let in. So you're gonna have to see how much of a mess my bed is. It's all stuff that I bought to take care of this haircut. But like, there's all this volume here. There's all this volume here, and then it gets really thin here. This stuff is making me crazy. It's winter. It's fly away. It's not holding any curl. It's just, ugh. And I feel like if I pull on this part, the lady said to make sure you did a pull, to make sure you had, like look at this. Look at the difference in length. I'm starting to think this is a bad idea because every video I've seen of this, the hair was almost all the same length. And look at this. This comes down to my chin. And this comes down to below my breasts. Oh my God. Well, you can always cut more, so start small. That's what they all say. So I'm just going to start out here. Ugh. This is tickling me. And I know my stylist was like, let me cut the hair around your face. And I was like, no, because if it's not long, it won't curl up. But now it won't curl up at all. Because it's so long. I've been pulling it back in a ponytail for so long. Wow, I just cut. Whew. And you section it off. Kitty wants in. How straight is that? That feels pretty good. But I'm right-handed. Okay. Let's see what we got. I should call my daughter in here, but she doesn't feel good. Okay, now is that straight? Straighter. Who's here? Hi, Lisa. Hi, Jeree. Rhonda, Shirley, Melissa. Okay, did anybody see? Let me do a ponytail on that one. I got a lot of really good help from the ladies at Sally's in my town today. For those of you who don't know me in real life, my hair was not curly after my first haircut. My mother cut my hair when I was 2, and it was in ringlets up until then. Okay. What do you think? Is it relatively the same left to right? I can't feel it. I can't see it very well. I feel like some more of this should be back. All right. Can always add more. Hey! Are you DJing tonight? Isn't it Thursday? have no, look at this. I don't even know what day it is. That's, okay. Lord, Mom, it's like a full full 5 seconds. Okay, so you're behind. Okay, so I'm going to turn around, Liz, and look and tell me what I need to do. This is my left side. Does it need more? And this is my, or should I leave the left side alone? Hey, Melody. Hey, Debbie. Hi, McTish. Okay, I'm about ready to take off another shirt. It is hot in here. Why not just schedule with the stylist? Okay, that's a very good question, and I will answer it. And I've actually told some of the other people I did schedule with a stylist, but she can't get to me till January 11th, and that's the day that I'm flying to Arizona, so I can't do it. Okay, we're just going with where it is, and if it's uneven, we'll fix it later. I'm going to cut off like 2 inches right here. Is that 2 inches? 1.5 inches? Oof. I feel like I'm going to cut my fingers. And you know what? She actually did something different with this. Tosh! Yeah, that's what I just cut a diagonal down. You mean... Okay, she said cut it diagonal, and I'm thinking she meant... Cut with the scissors facing towards the ground is going to be uneven. It's curly hair. Nobody gives a shit. Like, back towards myself? Like this? Who cares that it's going to be uneven? It's curly hair. She did it. She did it that way. The point of the scissors. She did it like this. Watch. She did it like this. This is so embarrassing. My hand is shaking. Okay. I angle my hands weird so I can see the hair I'm cutting. Okay, well, right, but before you did that, you like got it pulled out straight, and then you pulled it in and cut it. Okay, that makes sense. I'm too dyslexic to understand her instructions. Okay, no, I'll post a link to the video that I watched. She was very good at explaining it. If you cut it on a dangle, won't that diagonal, won't that hair be crooked? Well, I'm cutting layers, so I'm cutting it crooked on purpose. See what that did? That gave me layers. Son of a biscuit. Do you see that? Wow. Okay. Wow. I feel like I don't need to do the third one because that's... Let's see what it looks like with the back. See, all that length that I cut off in the beginning came from right here because, well, these hairs right here were like right next to my face. Ooh, it's having my hair that tight up against my head makes my scalp itch. Okay. Hold on. Like, this was supposed to be a triple unicorn cut, but I don't think I'm going to get to the third one. What happened to the hair in the ponytail in the back? Oh, hold on. That's this layer right here. Okay, so this is what was in the front, and this is the one in the back. It's a really subtle difference. It's almost not a difference at all. My hair has gotten a lot thinner since I lost all that weight. Like a lot thinner. Where's the comb? Like it's been growing back in for like 5 or 6 months. So I have all these little baby hairs that are like this long that are really like fly away. But it's called telogen. The telogens is, I'm going to say this wrong. Basically, you lose your hair every day anyway, right? Like a new hair grows in and pushes an old hair out. So when you shower, there's hair. But when you go through an event where you were like sick or you had something that was stressful and your hair it happens, a whole lot more of them happen. And that happened to me when I lost the weight. So I'm liking this so far. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go do a protein treatment. I'm going to go clarify and do a protein treatment and then a moisturize, whatchamacallit. I need someone to tell me if that's even. See, I don't even normally cut my hair when it's wet. See, it's still long, but okay. Did you see that, Nancy? That's the hair from the back. All right, I feel like I was going to do the third one, but now I don't feel like I need to. Like it's already like this. I did not have a layer this close to my face before. I didn't have a layer here. That hair was like longer. This is the hair that was longer than the stuff in the back. Yeah, mine has gotten a lot thinner, but I have the baby fine ones too. Okay, thinking of adding the pumpkin seed oil? Pumpkin seed oil. You did a good job. Care to swing by Texas after as oh my God.